Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to show chat in taskbar or Windows 11. So very simple and basic way. Right click on taskbar on any empty area, then open taskbar settings. So in this taskbar items you will see option chat. So just slide to on. Now as we can see this chat icon is appear. So this way you can show. Just turn on this feature, and if you want to hide, so turn off this feature. So thanks for watching guys, and by this simple and basic way we can know how to show and enable chat on Windows 11 taskbar. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.